Let me just solve this question, which is a kind of Olympiad question. You can just practice it for any mathematics Olympiad. So this is an interesting one over here. It is regarding the finding the domain of the function. So the question is, we have f of x and there is under root, and in under root we have two expressions. One is x and one minus x square under root. So let's just pause the video and try to find the answers from these four options. Okay. Okay, so I solved this for you, or you probably have solved it yourself, and we try to match the answer uh, for this question, which is, I repeat, is a kind of Olympiad, mathematics Olympiad question. So first of all, we must understand that in the under root, we must have the quantity or expression must be greater than zero. So it means that x minus 1 minus x square under root must be greater than or equal to 0. When we solve this inequality, not only solve that, but just to take 1 minus x square under root on the right hand side, we have 1 minus x square under root. Then you can also notice that we must put this inequality, or this the value for x must be greater than 0. Some student might ignore this thing over here. The reason is, when we put x is equal to 0, then we have 0 1 minus 0 square under root, and then we have 0 minus 1, so that becomes minus 1 under root, which is imaginary, so we want to avoid that. So we must put x greater than 0, and x greater than or equal to this expression over here. Okay, so what we do, we just simply solve this inequality. X square, we square both sides. X square is greater than 1 minus x square, and then we can get 2x square is greater than or equal to 1, and from here we get x square is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Then taking under root on both sides, we get x square under root, which is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So x mod is greater than or equal to, there should be under root as well, 1 by under root 2. And from here, we have the value x is greater than or equal to 1 by under root 2, or x is or x is less than or equal to minus 1 by under root 2. That's how you can obtain this result over here. So a mod is greater than or equal to, or x mod is greater than a, and this is x is a and x is minus a, something like that. Okay, so what we obtain, we have obtained this value for x. Now the next thing is, we also have x square should be less than or equal to, x square should be less than or equal to 1. The reason is why we have this inequality, since we want to get this term positive, and this is only possible when we have 1 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. So this inequality gives us x square under root, which is less than or equal to 1. Then we have x mod, which is less than or equal to 1, and from here we have x is less than equal to 1 and greater than or equal to minus 1. So we have obtained the second value for x. And the last thing is, which is we already mentioned earlier, that x should be greater than 0. So we have these three options. One option is this box, yellow box. One option is x should be minus 1 to 1. And the third option is x is greater than 0. Let me just draw this for you over here on the real line. On the real line, we have 0. Then we have 1 minus some value over here, minus 1. And this is 1. So one thing is x greater than 0 means we have whole this x that satisfies the inequality, but we have x greater than 0, but we also have to see some other values for x as well. Another x value we have, x is minus 1 to 1. So this is x which is minus 1 to 1. And we already have the yellow box, and the yellow box says that we must have one value for minus 1 by under root 2, and this value must be less than, it should lie over here. I must say that x should be less than or equal to minus 1 by under root 2. And another value we must have is the 1 by under root 2. And this is on the right hand side, we have 1 by under root 2. And this inequality says that x should be greater than this value. So we have this value over here. So what is the common region in all these values for x? This question was not as straightforward as look like. So we must identify the common region. If we just select this one, this is not a common since you have other values for x. If you have this as a common value from minus 1 to 1, then you have other values which probably will not satisfy this one. So here you can see that one value for x that is common in all the cases is this one. This common value not only lies over here, but also here and also over here. And we know that x cannot be negative since x is greater than 0. So we should concentrate on the right hand side, on this side as well. And the common value for that is only 1 by under root 2 to 1. And we have the correct answer, which is option D. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.